Hey everyone, Sylwia here, and welcome guys to my Flagship PLR Social Media Management 2-in-1 review. So, this is the newest launch by this beautiful lady, Joanne Ultras, and yeah, that's her newest launch. But this product really was put together by Alex. Let me show you Alex. Let me show you his face, who's a crazy experience. I mean, Alex is a 20 plus time Udemy best-selling instructor known for his personable and engaging presentation style. So he's got 10 plus years of entrepreneurship, 10 plus years in SEO and marketing. He has coached over 1,000 entrepreneurs, including some 7- and 8-figure clients. He is also a 3-time best-selling Amazon author with some of his books used in universities and high schools across the country. So you're getting here, guys, a full-blown training course on social media management, okay, which I'll show you. I've got the members area here. There's a lot of content, okay, to this training course, guys. And it's a PLR. Now, mind you, this product has sold in thousands on Udemy. And now you're getting it again in a form of PLR that you can rebrand and, to resell. You can split it into, you can package it up however you want, add your branding to it and all of that. You can use it as a premium lead magnet, okay, or as a bonus, or split it into many bonuses, because there is so much content to this training. So check it out here. As they say on the sales page, get PLR to a proven training course that helps people learn social media management for themselves and as a service for recurring income. So this training course is really split in 2 parts. The first one will show you how to manage your own personal social media accounts, to turn it into streams of income. And the other part will teach you how to provide it as a service for your clients. And, sell these services on platforms like Fiverr, for example. And plus, with my added bonuses, if you decide this is product for you, and you want to buy it via the link below my review, so go check out the sales page. It's going to be below my review in the description box. You also, guys, are getting some cool bonuses, which I'll show you in the later part of my review, but these bonuses will show you how to do engaging Facebook Lives. These are full-blown training courses, which are also PLR, by the way, and also how to start selling on Udemy in 2 hours. It's a training course as well, plus another training course called Ultimate Facebook Traffic Trick. So these are my giveaways. But back to the training course, which I am reviewing today, called Flagship PLR Social Media Management 2-in-1. So, now check this out. For a real business, this is obviously for a real business coach and trainer, not for, from a real business coach and trainer. Yeah, Alex, okay? This complete 18 modules, so 18 modules I'll show you inside of the members area in a sec. Okay, with 56 part video course, so 56 videos, okay, will give you the ability to really master social media management for yourself and your clients, okay? Now, guys, it's going live soon, so go check out. The sales page will be below my review. Again, this is the lady who's launching it, and she's got a super cool score on Warrior Plus, I must say. Check this out. Almost 5 stars. She doesn't launch often, but when she does, her products are of supreme quality. So she's made almost 4,000 sales, and with, 4.7 score. Extremely good quality. It may not look fancy, but guys, it's like, don't get blinded by the nice packaging very often with a lot of Warrior Plus launches, okay? It's what you're getting inside of that packaging that matters. The packaging may not look all fancy and you know, colorful and all of that, but you know, the content, the quality of the content is there, trust me. I'll open up, you know, these modules so you'll see. And, you know, it's going to be delivered to you inside, into your Dropbox, okay? But you can also download them. You can copy to Dropbox or you can just download them, okay? Going back to the sales page, what I want you to pay attention to is also, so I did mention about Alex Ganadinik, I guess. I wonder where Alex is from. Sounds like, maybe from Norway or who knows. Anyhow, these are some testimonials, and here you get all of the content. So as I said, 18 modules, 56 videos, guys, high definition. And check out all of the content you have here. So it's too much for me to go through and read out, and it's kind of like pointless because it's all listed on the sales page. You can see like the module 15 is about providing services as a freelancer on Fiverr, and it's like this module alone is very in-depth. A lot of videos about starting your own social media marketing agency, finding leads, even LinkedIn. And they also mention a very cool, at the end, WordPress plugin that you can use to revive your old, perhaps blogs, you know, your old content. And that plugin, the WordPress plugin, will allow you to boost up your old content's SEO, but also refresh it and use it to reuse it for your social media posts. So really cool stuff. Okay, so what you're getting with this purchase is audio files, transcripts, course materials, and then, you know, and this is Alex doing the presentation. And you can, you know, use those materials to rebrand, okay, this course, because again, it's a PLR. And also as a bonus, exclusive bonuses, you're getting these super cool ChatGPT prompts with attitude. So you can test them out here on the sales page actually, and they show you what kind of articles they write, and also they pass all of the AI detector results. Okay. So yes, these are bonuses, and what's the price of it? We'll check it out. $19.75 during the launch. The regular price is $79, and this course has been, as I said, has been sold in thousands on Udemy previously. So it's a tested, wanted training course. And also check out the frequently asked questions. A lovely sales page. I like it. It's very unique, different. Right, guys, I'm gonna show you the OTOs as well. But let me now jump to the, you know, members area. Okay, so as I said, this is how it will look. The members area. Not looking fancy, but don't let that fool you. Okay. It's the quality is there. So you have all of the modules and video titles here. And again, you can copy them to Dropbox or download them straight from the members area. You have all of the social media management audios here in this file. I mean, if I was to open up this file, there's a lot of files, right? But I'm just gonna show you the videos. I'll open up the videos. Now here you have the extra materials. This is your license there. And then the sales video that you can use for, you know, selling this course as your own, but just rebrand it. Make sure you rebrand it first. And social media management transcripts. Okay, so what I would do, I would take the transcripts, for example, use AI to do the videos, or even better, record the videos in my own voice. You don't have to show your face. Okay, I would just read out the transcripts in my own voice and just, you know, package it up and in that sense, okay, and sell it as my own product. because to resell it with Alex in the videos wouldn't have the same effect, okay? So you want to put your own branding to it. And now let me open up the videos. So as you can see, you will have all of the videos here. So the course introduction, content creation and publishing, scheduling a launch, using viral memes, getting clients to promote you, social media automation, providing services as a freelancer on Fiverr, starting a social media marketing agency, finding leads, LinkedIn messaging to sell to leads, social media calendar system, social media marketing, productivity. These are only modules, and under each and every of these modules will be plenty of videos, okay? So over 50 videos altogether, right? Now, also for full marketing calendar expansion, your social media library, and what else? What you can outsource and automate, social media roles for different projects, outsourcing content creation and management, social sharing with this WordPress plugin I told you about, the Revive plugin, to revive your old content. Now, let me just open up one of them, okay? Maybe let me show you the one about providing services as a freelancer on Fiverr. So there you go, okay? So you will have the whole course, quite a few videos as well, okay? And this alone is about Fiverr. So many videos here. You can see the length of them. And yeah, let me show you how he does an introduction to Fiverr. So,
social media marketing calendar for your own business. The previous videos in the course should help you accomplish that goal.
Alright, so there you go. So there you have it. That's the product here. Now let's check out the upsells, guys. Let me show you from the beginning. So the front end is priced at $19.75, and after the launch will be $27.65. So it's a discounted price during the launch, okay? OTO number 1, online marketing strategies for $62.25. I know this is there's a lot of content to this OTO, okay? And, this is online marketing strategies, so some advanced online marketing strategies. This is another, big course here, okay? OTO number 2, entrepreneurship. Start your business for $41.75. OTO number 3, procrastination reversal. Oh, it's a big thing, huh? Procrastination. We don't want to procrastinate. We want to take action. So maybe go get that course to get yourself out of the comfort zone of being stuck. Okay, it's priced at $16.75. After the launch, $23.45. OTO number 4 is called Customer Service Support and Experience for $16.75, and after the launch will be $23.45. OTO number 5 is called Improve Video Production in 1 Day for $14.25. After the launch, $19.25. So these are all discounted, okay, during the launch. And last but not least, as they say, OTO number 6, Kidpreneur Kickstart, I guess, for kids. No, I'm joking. Maybe to get your kid involved in entrepreneurship as soon as possible. I know that's what I'm gonna do with my daughter. It's good for them, okay? Anyhow, it's $14.25. After the launch will be $19.99. $20 after the launch. So, cool funnel. Okay, all of these OTOs are separate training courses, guys. So go through all of them and see if there's anything you would find interesting, then buy it. Okay, guys, let me show you the bonuses. The first bonus is called Engage More with Facebook Live. It's a full PLR video training. Okay, and so let me just show you here the quality of this bonus, what you're getting here. So, and again, it's a PLR. So you've got the videos and audios. There you go, guys. Full-blown training course on Facebook Lives. Now, next one is Start Selling on Udemy in 2 hours. It's again full PLR video training course also looking similar to the other one. Delivered into Google Drive, so easy access. And again, audios, videos. So let me show you the videos. All of the videos you have here. Voila. And the last one is called Ultimate Facebook Traffic Trick Training Course. And let me show you the training course. So you have the full blown training course on how to do very special Facebook groups, which are more like a search engine, not your regular standard Facebook groups. So these are my bonuses should you feel like this is a product for you and you want to get via the link below my review. Okay guys, love you and leave you. Ciao, see you very soon. Bye bye.